Kuya, your message please to message lang po. Wala sa usapan na may message. Sir Dad. Kita ko siya sa ABS. Award win.
Thank you for coming. Some very memorable film for me because it was my first work. And I guess we share the same experience with a lot of the crew here.
Alright, thank you. Before direct me, I'd like to call it script continuity. Joe Makasa. And of course, Joe, halika. Dito ka. Kala ko naman siya. And of course, to represent the lead child actress, Lana Rosea, is her mom, Teresita La Rosea. Hi, Mami Tess. Halika, please join. Join ka dito. Please. Ayan, para makompleto. Habang pababa si Mami Teresita, Direct May Cruz! Alviar.
Hello. Yeah. Hi and thank you everyone for coming, and thank you to ABS-CBN Film Restoration for restoring this movie. I hope maraming maka-enjoy ulit ito the same way it was enjoyed 20 years ago. This was my very first film, my very first project with Star Cinema. And I sobra. So 20,000 pounds ago.
Fresh.
Yeah. So thank you to this project that started everything for me.
Thank you. And of course, Mrs. Teresita La Rosea, Mami.
Hi, good evening. Sorry, wala si Ana. Nasa Costa Rica.
Aray. Ano pong ginagawa niya doon?
Doon siya ngayon nakatira with Javi and 1-year-old.
Wow.
2 years old na exactly. Birthday niya, second birthday today.
Wow.
Mapanisip ako. She might be back next year. Kasi yun ang hindi back. Kakasal ko. Watch out for them.
Oo. So mag-premiere ulit. That's for her. Thank you, Mami. Ano pa lang yan? Rockwell. Audio. And of course, Shaolin Kid, Sydney.
Hello po. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Marami po salamat, even na 20 years ago pa yung movie. Dito pa rin po kayo at hindi pa rin nakalimutan. Thank you po again.
If I may ask, ilang taon ka nun?
Around grade 5 or grade 6 po. Hindi ko
Ilang taon?
Siguro around mga ano po, 10, 11.
Okay. Tapos what do you do now?
Ano po, business. Aparent ng mga condos. Ganyan.
Talaga? Condo.
Yes po.
Okay. Ayan. Hello. Ano ba? Wala pa yung bit. Of course, D. June Urbano!
Alam nyo, nagkakamali ang ABS-CBN. Ito ang isang napakagaling na komedyano na hindi nyo dinidependo. Si Eric. More than 20 years ago, mga 25 years ago, I started a character on TV. Si Mr. Shuli. Tapos, mga after 5 years, tinawag ako ni Peque Gallaga to appear in this movie. This was my first motion picture appearance as Shuli. Kaya, I have to come here because memorable sa akin ang movie na ito. At memorable din sa akin, itong mga batang ito, itong mga ito na napakakulit sa shooting. Pero ngayon nakita ko, ito si Jonel is a father of 3 kids. 4 kids. Ito is a father of nobody. Wala pa, no? Wala pa. Hindi pa nasisiraan ang bot. Ito naman nasiraan na rin ang ulo ito. May anak ka na.
Apa, meron na.
Meron na.
Pareho po kami ni...
Pareho sila ni Sabak, 4 na rin. Yan po, that's why I'm here. I want to see these kids grow.
We are so honored, Mr. June Urbano. Give it up for Mr. June Urbano.
Thank you po.
Of course, Mark Solis.
Hello! Maraming salamat po. Sobrang overwhelmed kami ni Junel. Nag-uusap kami sa Facebook bago siya lumipad papunta dito. Sobrang tuwan-tuwa kami sa reception ng movie. So, thank you all for coming. So, 20 years ago na pala yon. Ibig sabihin, 22 kami ngayon, 2 years old kami nung shoot namin ito. Ayun, so thank you very much po ulit. Ito si Junel, malayo ang binyahe. Sobrang na-touch kaming lahat. Pumunta talaga siya dito para sa movie na to. Junel! Ano ba sabi mo?
Junel!
Yeah, salamat po. Masaya ako to be here. It just happened I was able to fit on my schedule na makapunta dito dahil plano ko talaga mag-move back dito sa Philippines sa January.
Wow!
Dahil meron kaming project na asawa ko na gusto namin gawin here sa Philippines.
Ano yun?
Right now, it's still work in progress, but we want to focus on helping children in the Philippines.
Wow.
So, starting January, yun ang gusto namin i-focus. Pero, ngayon, exacto, I need to take care of some things, and then nakausap ko si Kuya Leo, and I was like, okay, I need to be there. So, I'm glad to be here, and I love this movie. Kinukwento ko to sa mga anak ko, as bedtime stories, kasi hindi sila marunong mag-Tagalog. That's my fault. And then, pinapanood ko sa kanila. Anyway, I'm excited to see it. I'm really excited.
Everyone's excited. Ayan, thank you, Janelle.